Now, who says this isn't having all of your ducks in a row? As you can see, we have custard. She hasn't got much to say at the moment. Actually, you do, don't you?
And here comes the brave one. Oh, looky, looky, looky. Come on, guys. Ah, splat. Come on. Look at that. Adorable.
Oh! They didn't get on camera.
They would have heard.
It would have heard. It's just get a bit more.
Guys. Come on.
There's our first three. Well, 2 babies and 1 Evie.
Come on, guys.
And there's... Here we go. Not quite out yet. Now here we go.
Oh.
It's the first time them popping out.
When they're supposed to.
Yes, when we're supposed to.
Come on, you. Yay, baby.
Ooh, for duckies.
Oh, God, look at them.
Oh my. They do like their dried leaves. Do I need to move them away?
No,
No, they're all fine.
you're all fine. Oh, God, look at them. Look at them, they're like little sheep.
I know. Just might move that. Hello, you little guys. Get out of your way.
Is there any mucky water?
I think what she's drinking out of is fine. I'm not sure. Let's move it all up.
Exciting!
Put this up for you.
Hey guys! Hello, monsters! Hello, you. Are you jealous? Gosh, they are having such a blast. Aren't you, babies? Stop fighting. Hey, babies. You put it down on the dirt.
Yeah. Oops.
Oops.
Oh, no, bro.
Oh, don't worry about that.
The little ones.
Oh my gosh.
They're all disappearing. Is the onion okay for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about a buttercup?
I don't think they'll eat it.
Good. I do like the pods. Even the Evielings are into the pods at the back. The brassicas.
Might pay to get rid of the woolly nightshade.
Oh yeah.
Well, I think they are having an absolute wonderful time.
Oh, definitely.
Hey! So I think we'll leave them to it for a bit. Oh my goodness! They're so funny.
Yep.
Hey, babies. So much nibbling. Nibble, 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 nibble. Nibble, nibble, nibbles. Oh, good grief. Hey, babies. Right, Evie, you've got your hands full, girlie. Hey, you've got your hands full with this lot. Here's the water. Go on, in the water. There we go. There we have it. A bunch of very, very happy little ducklings. Little duckies! And boy, Evie's job has just got a million times harder. Keeping all of those lost in the line. Hey, we'll leave you to it, little Miss Evie. Oh dear, into everything.
Yes.
So that's all for today from Gardener Gone Wild. So please remember to
Like, subscribe, comment if you feel like it, and by the way, plants, they make marvellous food, so go along and eat them while you're at it. Thanks for watching. Gardener Gone Wild.
stay wild. Meow, meow.